sell a ticket item, first it's good to add a customer to the sale. Now you can see that all the waivers have already been filled out for this customer. So just add the ticket and select the amount of people that are in the group and select a day. Now check availability. This day seems to be good, and you can see all the waivers have been filled in because the customer has already been entered. And select a valid time. Now you can see that all the times are put in under the items, so now you just have to pay for the item. We'll just do exact change for this one. You can see that they're both added in here. Now you can also email the customer a receipt, which will be sent to their email on file, and you can also print the receipt. So here you can print the receipt from your receipt printer. If you get stuck on this screen, you can always click the label at the top. Otherwise, it'll automatically just go back to the sales screen. Now, you can check to see if the party is where it's supposed to be in the trackers. Now select the appropriate date. And hit the jump. You can see there's 2 times there. The 5271 is the one that we selected. You can see that all the waivers are there, and the group size, and that it's fully paid for.